Hi, I'm George Torok on creative problem solving. Rules. Rules are tools, or at least they should be tools. They shouldn't be barriers. And rules by themselves are neither good nor bad. I believe that most rules were started for good intentions. In fact, I think that there are three reasons why rules are started. One, rules are started to avoid pain. If we do something and we discover that what we did was very painful, then we make a rule to ourselves, I'll never do that again, or we make a rule that we publish to others, doing this could be very painful. The second reason rules are made is to save time and resources. And resources includes money and aggravation. Rules are made to save people aggravation, resources, and time. Why? We discover a way of doing things. And so we don't have to rethink it every time from ground zero. We make a rule or a set of rules to help us follow a process to achieve a goal. We tell others and suggest a rule. If we're running a company, we make the rule policy. If we're running government, we make the rule law. Nothing wrong with those things. So those can be very good. The third reason for rules. Now, some of you might not like this, but I believe the third reason for rules is to protect us from stupid people. Now, let me clarify. When I say stupid people, first of all, I believe that all of us do things that could be considered stupid. I know that I have often. And some of us tend to do stupid things more than others. So I believe we make rules to protect ourselves from stupid people, and sometimes ourselves. And for that reason, rules are often made for the lowest common denominator. Rules are not made for the thinking person who's sharp on things, because we are not always thinking sharp on things. None of that is good or bad. It's just important to understand why rules are made. And in the creative problem-solving process, we may need to address rules that appear to be obstacles to a creative solution that we can see. It means we may need to challenge the rules, at the very least ask why the rule is there. You see, sometimes a rule is started for a very good reason. It's started for a very good reason, but the situation changes and the rule no longer applies. And guess what? People forget to change the rule. Now, when it's a written rule, it's easier to find. But the unwritten rules, much harder, one, to see, because we see the unwritten rules as walls to our box. And more importantly, we don't know who to question why it is this way. Rules are simply tools. They should never be barriers. I'm George Torok on creative problem solving.